welcome back to my channel. So, nandito na ako sa labas ng bahay nila Martin. Hinantay ko lang na pagbuksan nila ako. But, before I go in, gusto ko lang i-vlog to. Pumili kasi ako nung Bezos car mount holder. So, kasi ngayon, nakapatong yung camera sa dashboard. Wala siyang anything to secure it. So, kapag mag-vlog ako nang nagda-drive, pag liliko or something, or may hump, so, gumagalaw yung camera. So, ito, nakita ko to kay Rai Velasco. So, para siyang sticky mat. Tapos, ilalagay mo lang siya sa, punis. Ilalagay mo lang siya sa dashboard mo. Tapos, didikit na dun yung camera or yung cellphone mo, whatever you want to put on your dashboard. So, try natin. So, yan. Meron lang siyang parang acetate. Super sticky. And then, sige, wait lang. Yan, lagay lang natin siya dito. Yan. So, pwede ko na siya idikit. So, I will link it down below kung gusto niya ring bumili. Nakuha ko lang siya sa Lazada. Hello, Copper! Hello? Hello, this is Copper. She's my best friend here. Hi. 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 She's so excited to see me all the time. Copper. You're so cute. You're so cute. Alis na kami. Punta kaming SM Aura. Ito siya, pero there's another way to use it na parang naka-fold siya. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. Pwede din siyang parang ganito. Lalo na kung cellphone yung ilalagay nyo. So, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung phone nyo na ganyan. Kung let's say you need it to navigate mga ways. Nandito na kami sa SM Aura parking. Papalit lang ako ng shoes from my flat to my condo. Since 11:45 na, kakain muna kami ni Martin. Nandito kami sa SM Aura food court. Favorite namin dito. Basta pumunta kami ng SM Aura. Dito kami kumakain. Usually, pepper lunch. Pero ngayon, parang gusto ko mag-Frankies.
Pero bago yan.
What?
Lagi natin itong binibisita.
Pure nectar, our favorite. Ito yung palagi kong in-order dito. Alka Boost. Si Martin, iba-iba.
Ano?
Ito na lang sa akin. Mighty Moringa. Yan. Ikaw.
Ako, I'll have two. I'll have detox zero.
Ay, pa-taste ako.
Yeah, detox zero. And then green chutney.
Oh, okay. Detox fuel, density, Mighty Moringa. So, ito yung order ni Martin. Baked ziti, pero with red sauce.
Yes. So, minsan lang itong Sbarro, no? Kasi you don't see Sbarro na a lot. And then this is the only place that you can order deep dish pizza, so we're gonna have it. Just the red sauce.
Red.
The deep dish pizza, check it out. So you have Chicago white, and then you have Chicago almond.
So, which one are you getting?
I can't choose. What time is it? Ito na lang, no? Yung almond.
Yeah, kasi red.
Yeah. We'll have a Chicago almond. This one side. Look at that. Wow.
Deep dish
Deep dish
pizza.
pizza.
Ako, order ako dito sa Frankie. This is the large baked ziti. This is one of my favorite pasta. Simula bata pa ako. Pero I normally have it with white sauce. Pero si Martin kasi ayaw niya ng white sauce. So, ayan, red sauce na lang. And then, eto, deep dish pizza. Choice niya to. May choice ka din ng sauce on top of the pizza. So, syempre, red sauce ulit. And then, habang inaantay natin yung Frankies, inom na muna tayo nito. Ito pala yung akin. Mighty Moringa. Pineapple, apple, malunggay, and honey. Sobrang masustansya kasi yung malunggay. Kaya yung in-order ko, yung may malunggay. Tapos parang nagka-crave lang ako ng lasa ng honey because of the Starbucks Manuka honey.
You can't get enough of it.
Nagustuhan ko talaga yung lasa nun eh.
We can have another one.
Pero parang ang mahal niya.
Okay. Ito, mura.
Hindi. Yeah. Hopefully, masatisfy na nito yung
Craving.
honey craving. First time kong matitry itong Mighty Moringa. Wala masyadong lasa yung moringa. Wala masyadong lasang malunggay. Mas lasang siya, pineapple and apple. It's good. Ang ganda ng lighting dito.
That's why I chose this.
Ang ganda ko dito.
Wow. Ako hindi.
Dapat dito ka.
Yeah.
Ano mo? Oh, di ba ang fresh?
Wow.
Ang pogi mo.
Wow.
Oh.
I look like a face.
Sige nga. Dugo face eh.
Wow!
Pwede.
Pero hindi pangit pa rin ako. Pero pumogi.
Pumogi dahil sa lighting. Mag-juice tasting tayo habang wala pa yung Frankies ko. Ito naman yung detox fuel. Cucumber, green apple, celery, turmeric, ginger. It's not sweet at all. And nangingibabaw yung ginger taste. Pero masarap din siya. If you like ginger like me, gusto niyo rin to. Parang feeling mo nagdi-detox ka talaga. I like it. Siyempre, kukunin ko yung may cheese. Kunin natin yung cheese. Na ayaw naman ni Marty.
Oh. And you like it like that. Gooey.
Gooey, stringy, yeah, mozzarella. And ito yung in-order ko sa Frankie's, half dozen classic buffalo wings na spicy. Look at that. I'm so excited to eat this.
I don't get it.
Ang sarap kaya.
Yeah, but chicken is chicken.
No! This is one of my favorite ways to eat chicken, buffalo wings. As in, bago pa siya nauso, bata pa ako, sobrang fan na ako ng buffalo wings.
Alright. I'm so happy for you. That's great. That's great. Let's eat.
Ito yung deep dish pizza na all meat. So, kahit all meat siya, in-order siya ni Martin. But in-order mo to kahit all meat?
The other one is
white.
White. So, you know, you have to choose which is the lesser evil. So, I mean, this is more bearable and tolerable than creamy all over Alfredo sauce or whatever kind of pizza. It's sobrang sobrang iba na eh. Deep dish na nga, all milk pa. Alam mo?
Okay.
So this is more tolerable for me.
Blue cheese dip. Oh, good. Super sarap. Hindi na ako order ng rice kasi may pasta naman. Meron din palang ganitong color. Guys, meron sila na itong bag. It's so cute. Para siyang yung Louis Vuitton na multi-pochette. So, meron siyang small bag. And then the bigger one. Tapos meron din siyang ito parang coin purse. Tapos pwede mong tanggalin to. So, kung gusto mo nung maliit lang. Tapos pwede rin ito lang. Ayan siya, better look. So, sinasabi ko kanina, para siyang yung Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. So, you have 3 compartments. Tapos, pwede mong ihiwalay ito dito and you can wear them separately. Tapos, ito din, pwede mong tanggalin. Meron din ganito. So, tricolor naman siya. Dito kami sa Jamba Juice. Kasi ang anghang nung buffalo wings kanina. So, parang kailangan ko ng something na, di ba usually pag maanghang milk or ice cream, ganon. So, eto, jamba juice na lang para healthy. We're gonna have, like, chocoberry mood. So, para siyang yogurt drink na chocolate and berries. So it's sweet, pero yogurt siya, so it will help with the spiciness. Jamba juice.
Forever. All the time.
Share na lang kami.
All natural, yes.
Favorite ni Martin, jamba juice.
Tapos we'll have brewed coffee at home.
Okay, Martin will brew coffee for me at home. Tapos, inaanap lang namin yung Toy Kingdom kasi bibili lang ako ng gift for my inaanak. Si Mimi! Wala kasi akong gift sa kanya nung Christmas. Eh, magkikita kami bukas. So, bibilang ko lang siya ng gift. Ang laki! Ang laki! Bakit ang laki?
It's for the strong man.
Dikit mo sa mukha mo. Oh. Sobrang laki ng jamba juice.
Jamba juice.
22 ounces lang. Kaso, since pinadagdagan ni Martin ng berries, so nilagay nila dun sa pang 30 ounce na cup. Share na kami dyan. Okay, found the gift. Ang cute to. It's like a stuffed toy. Pero backpack siya. So, pwede siya maglagay ng mga gamit niya dyan. Or yung toys niya. This is pink and fluffy. Mimi, alin mas gusto mo? Kung may yellow or yung all pink? Ikaw, Martin. This one? Mas cute, no? Isa na lang. The winner. I hope you like it, Mimi. Ako din. Mas gusto ko to. Mas gusto ko din to. It's also my choice. Okay, go. Bili na namin. Nakalibre pa kami ng 2 mu. May libreng mu.
Iinumin niya yan.
Hindi ako umiinom ng ganyan.
Hindi ka naman yun. Meron na tayong ano eh.
Yeah.
Chocoberry mo. For
Yes.
adults.
Nakita ko to dito sa may bazaar sa SM Ora. Gusto to ng mommy ko dati. Chocoloco. Ito dark choco nibs with cranberry. Super sarap. Tapos may bago sila. Blueberry naman. Tapos they also have sugar-free. Tapos sweetened with erythritol. Tapos ito. Very unique. Chili cacao nib. So, medyo spicy siya. Tapos meron din coated with coconut sugar. And meron naman mga pure lang din. Thank you!
Like chocolate.
Chocolate!
Chocoberry mood. Chocolate. And Choco mood.
Tada!
Chocolate all over.
Pag nakita nyo to, Chocoloco, bili kayo. Super sarap niyan. Nakabili na kami dati noon sa Rockwell. Really, really good quality local chocolate. Si Martin, ito yung pasalubong niya sa family niya. Bibingka, Manila. Tapos he got box of 9 original salted egg and cheese. Ang social nung box. Super cheesy. Ang laki ng cheese niya on top. We're on our way home now. Home to Martin's house.
It's also your home. It's our home.
Aww.
Home is where the heart is. Home is where whenever we're together.
Wow naman.
Yes. It's a chill, relaxing day. As always. Minsan may kailangan mong ganun mo. You don't have to do a lot of stuff just to complete yourself. Ganun. Kasi then kanina I was talking about simplifying life, tsaka being a minimalist on life. Tapos, gusto nyo daw ng ganung buhay. Sabi ko, talaga? Tignan mo nga yung phone mo. Tignan mo yung camera mo.
Hindi minimalist kasi konti lang. Sabi ko kay Martin, gusto ko quality over quantity.
Kanina dumadaan siya sa mga mga espresso machine section. Gusto niya daw yung bahay niya may espresso machine. Yun yung start ng niya, simple life. minimalist life.
Oh, we need that. We need an espresso machine. It's a need.
It's a need. It's a need.
Yes.
In a household, may espresso machine.
Paano tayo inom
Diba?
ng masarap na kape?
Raise your hand if you have an espresso machine at home na it became a need.
It is a need.
Hindi ko mga restaurant lang meron yan eh.
Sabi ko kasi kay Martin, gusto ko yung yung automatic, yung mga DeLonghi, prima donna, gano'n. yung kiklik mo na, cappuccino, latte.
Gusto niya automatic and branded.
Pero masusulit yon, magkaka-ROI yun.
Tapos ang difference lang nun, sinisilit niya lang yung hot water. Ganun lang yun. Tapos ang mahal-mahal na.
No! Basta, bibili tayo nun. One day. It's a need in my life. Makakatipid tayo doon. Imbis na bumibili tayong coffee sa labas.
Nahihilo na ako. Dinisip ko pa rin espresso machine. Tapos hindi mo malang pagkakitaan. Wala.
It's for happiness.
Happiness?
Eh di pag may bisita tayo, bibenta natin sila ng kape.
Napaka-rude naman.
Guys, ay gusto nyo coffee, tea, ganyan. Tapos, 150 pala para dun sa cafe latte.
Aminin na nyo pala 150 pala yung isa na. Gusto mo pa ba? Kaya ganun mo, no? Pero gusto mo pa ba?
Kapag double shot espresso plus 40. So there. Anyway, that's it for the vlog. Kukumbinsin ko pa si Martin na kailangan namin nun in the future. Thank you guys for watching. And we'll see you in the next.
Tsaka galing na itong camera talaga na to. Hindi
Diba? Kahit nag-turn.
Kakaliwa ko.
Sharp turn.
Sharp. Gumagalaw ako pero yung camera hindi. Alright, see you all on the next episode. And we'll see you around. Please like, subscribe, and do check out all the links that are provided by Denise Yalung and her vlogs and Instagram and all that. And we'll see you all on the next video. Peace.
Bye.